Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a project called Airlines Reservations. We know that airways are one of the ways to travel across the countries. Flight journey is very fastest way to reach other countries. Even though it is a bit expensive, but it is the fastest way and convenient way to get to our destinations. As technology has improved, we have developed an application that helps customers to book flight tickets, flight reservation through this website. So let's see the flow diagram of this website. In this project, we have two modules for admin and passenger. Admin is the person who manages the reservations and website details in this project. Admin will have predefined login credentials, so with those, admin will log in. After logging into his account, admin will add the airlines into the website, and after adding them, admin can view airlines. After adding airlines, admin will add airplanes followed by airports. In airports, flights, in flights, admin will schedule it by which source to destination the flight is going at the time and the price of the ticket. Everything will be added in flights. So all these things after added, admin can view all airlines, airplanes, airports and flight details as well. Now, passengers have to register into our website. After registering with their email ID, name, phone number, etc. details, they can log in. After logging into their accounts, passengers can search the flights by using source and destination, the time of their traveling they want to travel, and the type of the flights they can also choose here. After searching and filtering the flights, they will get some flights that based on the source and destination and date as well. So if there are flights available that flying to the same from source destination, those flights will be displayed. Passengers can book a flight by paying the amount for based on the class type they have selected. After paying the relevant amount, the reservation will be confirmed. After reservation confirmed, admin can view the passengers reservations in view passenger reservation page. Customers, passengers can also view the reservations they have made, and they can cancel the reservation before a certain period of time when the flight starts. So this is the flow. Let's look at the website. This is the website. Now we can defaultly can select some source and destinations, and we can search flights. So but now we cannot book. Let's see once, try it once. These are the flights that are available. So but if we want to book, we have to book the reserve, we have to log in. So let's look at once the flow of the website. First of all, now admin will log in. Admin have default login credentials such as mail as admin@gmail.com and password is admin. After logging into his account, admin will add the airlines first. So he can view airlines here as well. So here we can see the previously added airlines here. He can edit it by clicking on edit option. Okay, here we can see we can change the name, just whatever it is. Otherwise, let it be update. This already exists. If there is no changes, the system will display the already exist. So let's move on to another. We'll add another thing. So let's see. We'll add Emirates. Emirates Airlines. So added, we can see here. We can delete one thing as well if you want to. If we want to delete one thing, we can click on delete. Are you sure we want to delete? The system will ask about your confirmation. Click on it, it will be deleted. So after adding the airlines, admin will add the 8 planes. These are the planes for the particular airlines. So here if you want to delete, we can also delete here. So let's add a airplane. You have to select the airlines first in order to add airplanes. So Emirates, we can add some flight name. Capacity, we have to give how many members are allowed. So these are the airlines added. So these particular airlines will be available in which airport we have to mention. So admin will add the airports. So we'll add airports. Airport name we have to give. Let's see. Yeah. We can add every airport here, or we can add every airport we want to add it. So let's see. This is the code. City we have to give. Airport country, India. And we can see these are the airports read by admin. So in this we will schedule the flight. So admin will schedule the flight number. We can give flight number. You have to select which airlines, Emirates if you want to say, from city Jawada to Dallas. So depart time we have to mention 15 minutes we can give, and the arrival time you can see. Available seats we can mention here. What is the fare? The fare will be. Now we can see the ride is added. So we can see now flights as a customer. So let's see. Passengers have to register first. They also have to give their names, first name, last name, email, phone number, every detail in order to get registered. Phone number, password, and we have to confirm the password. Yeah, registration successful. Now we can log in. Now customers can search the flights by giving the source and destination they want to fly from. So they have to select the date as well. They can choose class, so on passenger name, passenger, how many passengers, and when they search they will get the flights. So these are the flights. Here they can search as well. Now when they click on book now, they will get this summary page. This is the total payment the customer have to pay. So these are now passenger have to give the names first of all. So let's give email address, phone number, state, zip code. Okay, now customer have to give 16 digits credit card number, and have to give expiry date of the card and CVV. Now this is the summary. The reservation detail, this is the reservation ID and when the booking was done, flight number, departure time, everything will be here. The confirmation mail is here. If customers want to cancel, they can cancel and the status will be shown as cancelled. Now admin also can view these reservations. Let's log in as an admin. admin@gmail.com and password as admin. Click on reservations. These are all the reservation made by the customers. Cancelled or completed, everything will be visible here. When admin clicks on passengers, he can see the passenger details and boarding details as well. In boarding details, we can see the customer name, which flight he is flying on and from where to where, source and destination, time, and everything. These are we can see the terminal, gate wall, which time it's boarding, that seat number we can see here. This is all about this application. Hope you guys understand. I thank you very much for watching.